Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now it's time for the fun part, mixing all the ingredients to create that creamy, fruity mango sago dessert you'll love. Let's get started. Assembling the dessert. Now for the fun part, bringing it all together. Blend 1 mango with water and sugar until smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness if needed. In a large bowl, mix the mango puree, coconut milk, and evaporated milk. Add a pinch of salt to balance flavors. Fold in cooked sago pearls and mango cubes. Stir gently to distribute evenly without breaking the fruit. Chill for at least 1 hour before serving. This lets flavors meld and gives the dessert its signature refreshing coolness. For serving, garnish with extra mango cubes or a drizzle of coconut milk. The dessert thickens slightly as it chills, so if it's too thick, stir in a splash of milk or mango juice. This recipe is forgiving. Play with ratios to match your taste. Prefer it creamier? Add more coconut milk. Like it lighter? Reduce the evaporated milk and add mango juice. Either way, you're minutes away from a dessert that tastes like sunshine in a bowl. Variations and customizations. The beauty of mango sago dessert lies in its flexibility. While the classic version is a crowd pleaser, you can twist it to match your taste or dietary needs. Here's how to make it your own, whether swapping fruits, changing the milk base, or adding unexpected textures. Fruit variations. Beyond mango. Mango shines, but other fruits work just as well. Try these for a fresh spin. Durian. Love it or hate it, durian adds a creamy, pungent kick. Pair it with coconut milk for a bold Southeast Asian twist. Strawberry. Swap mango for blended strawberries. It's tart, sweet, and gorgeous in pink. Add basil seeds for extra crunch. Lychee. Light and floral, lychee balances coconut milk beautifully. Use canned lychees for convenience or fresh ones for a juicier bite. Pineapple. Tropical but tangy. Grill the pineapple first for a caramelized depth. For mixed fruit versions, keep the fruit chunks small. Think of it like a dessert salad. Every spoonful should have a bit of everything. Dairy-free and vegan options. No dairy? No problem. A few smart swaps keep the dessert just as creamy. Coconut milk. Already plant-based, but opt for brands without added thickeners. Shake the can well before using for even consistency. Almond or oat milk. Lighter than coconut but still rich. Use the creamy versions, not the watered-down ones. Condensed coconut milk. For sweetness without dairy, this is a game changer. Find it in Asian grocery stores or make your own by simmering coconut milk with sugar. Vegan sago pearls are naturally starch-based, but check labels if you're avoiding cross-contamination. Skip evaporated milk entirely. Coconut cream or cashew cream adds a similar silkiness. For extra flair, top with toasted coconut flakes or crushed pistachios. The crunch contrasts the soft sago perfectly. Remember, the best version is the one you love. Play with flavors until it feels right. Serving and presentation tips. Mango sago dessert deserves more than just being scooped into a bowl. How you serve it can elevate the experience. A little attention to garnishing and temperature makes it irresistible, whether you're prepping for guests or just treating yourself. Garnishing for visual appeal. A sprinkle of color and texture turns this dessert from simple to stunning. Here's how to make it pop. Fresh mint leaves. A few small leaves add a green contrast against the bright yellow mango. Extra mango cubes. Scatter a handful on top for a juicy, inviting look. Toasted coconut flakes. Toast them lightly for crunch and a nutty aroma. Edible flowers. Pansies or borage flowers make it Instagram worthy. A drizzle of coconut milk. Swirl it on top just before serving for a marbled effect. Use small, deliberate garnishes. Too much can overwhelm the dish. Keep it balanced so every bite still tastes like mango sago, not just toppings. Best serving temperatures. This dessert is versatile but tastes best at the right temperature. Here's what works. Chilled, recommended. The classic way. Refrigerate for at least an hour. It thickens slightly and becomes refreshingly cool, perfect for hot days. Room temperature. If you're in a hurry, 15-20 minutes out of the fridge softens the chill without losing texture. Slightly warmed, optional. Heat it gently, not hot, for a cozy twist. The coconut milk becomes silkier, but the mango flavor mellows. Best for cooler weather. Avoid freezing it. The sago pearls turn rubbery. If you need to store leftovers, keep them sealed in the fridge for up to 2 days. Stir well before serving again, as separation is natural. Serve in clear glasses or bowls to showcase the layers. Think of it like a dessert cocktail, presentation matters. Mango sago dessert is a bright, creamy treat that balances sweet mangoes, chewy sago, and rich coconut milk. It's easy to make but feels special, perfect for cooling down on a hot day or impressing guests. Try this recipe and taste the tropical magic yourself. Every bite is a mix of textures and flavors that just works. Once you've made it, share your twist. Did you add extra fruit? Swap the milk? Post your version and tag us. We'd love to see what you create. This dessert is forgiving, so have fun with it. The best recipes are the ones you make your own. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.